Okay, so this one, Cam's mom is mean if she tells him 11/12 of an hour instead of minutes. So that's crazy. But anyway, he can play for 11/12 of an hour. So we don't even know how much that is, but it says he's spent 1/4 of an hour already. How much time does he have left? So here the key is 11/12 is really close to 1 because 11 and 12, those numbers are so close together. If you had one more number on top, instead of 11, if you had 12, 12 over 12 is 1. So really close to 1, a little smaller than 1, or a little less than 1. Okay, so if you start with a little less than 1 and then you spend 1/4 of an hour, think about estimating. If you have 1 and you spend 1/4 of an hour, so you take away 1 out of 4 pieces. So let's think about this. You have a whole, you take away 1 out of the 4 pieces. You still have 1, 2, 3 pieces left. Still have that much left. That's if you had 1. But if you have less than 1, then you'll have a little less than 3/4 left because you started with a little less than 1. So that means it's going to be a little less than 3/4. So you can see that it has 3/4 in choice H and choice J. So those are the two that you're going to focus on. Okay, so it's either going to be H or J. H says it's a little greater than 1/2, but a little less than 3/4, and that's exactly what we want to choose. So the choice that's correct is H. Choice J says you have more than 3/4, and that's not what we have. Since we started with less than 1, we'll have less than 3/4 left. So choice H is it.